In this podcast video, let me see how you can make powerful resume. Let me tell tips and some examples to prepare your powerful resume. First of all, you should prepare your resume with only one page or two pages. Greater than two pages are not allowed. Let me tell what are all the things you want to include in your resume to make it powerful. First of all, you should mention your marks and your career object. First of all, you should mention your name, your mobile number, your email id. After that, you want to mention your career objective. After that, you want to mention your skills. Here the skills plays an important role because while you are attending for interview, most of the things will be asked from these skills only. For an example, if you have mentioned Java in your skills, then the questions will be thrown from Java from the interviewer. So be careful while mentioning skills in your resume. If you mentioned a skill which you don't know, then you may lose marks in interview. So if you know at least one skill also, you can mention that skill. Don't mention the skills which you don't know. Before going to interview, prepare your skills that you have mentioned in your resume. Your resume is the solution for the interview. So prepare well your resume, and you can add your projects like your mini projects, your final year project, whatever projects you have done. You can mention your projects. You can also mention your social media handles like your LinkedIn handle, GitHub handle, and if you are posting any videos related to educational content or programming or some other things in YouTube, you can mention that too in your resume. You can mention your papers that you are published in the publications. And another important thing is, if you mention any paper which you don't know fully about informations fully about particular paper, then they will be asking questions from that. So be prepared with your papers that you have mentioned in your resume. And sometimes you can also mention your favorite subject, like my favorite subject is Python, Java, or you can mention your streams like if you are from mechanical, you can mention thermodynamics. But be sure that you know all the basics of your favorite subject, because the questions may be shooted from that particular favorite subject. So prepare well your favorite subject too. You can mention your achievements too in your resume. And you can mention your certifications that you have done in online or in college. You can mention your certifications. And please don't mention your personal informations like your father's name, your mother's name, your your occupation, your salary details. What I mean is your family salary details. Don't mention these things, because the resume is the slip which will be used to get a job to you. So you want to mention things which will be helpful to get job from the interviewer. So mention only the skills and projects and some other stuffs which are related to technical in your resume. And another important thing is, prepare your resume by your own. Don't make resume from websites. There will be websites which will be asking your informations, and they will be like producing a resume at last. Don't go that side. Prepare your own resume, like just to open a word. And if you are mentioning some of the projects, make a tabular column, row with column, and mention headers. And you can mention your title and where in which company you have published the paper, and which company you have participated. You can mention those details in a tabular column, and you can mention your skills to prepare your resume on your own. Don't go to the websites to produce your resumes. Be unique. Prepare your own resume. If you know any designing, you can prepare your resume with your designing skills too, using Word document. And that's it. You can use these tips to prepare your resume.